We all have dreams. These dreams are often the seeds of our deepest desires, the visions of a life we yearn to live. They can be as simple as finding peace and happiness or as grand as achieving monumental success in our careers. We imagine a better life, a brighter future. We see ourselves surrounded by love, joy, and abundance. These dreams give us hope and a sense of purpose, driving us to wake up each day with a renewed sense of determination. What if I told you that you have the power within you to turn those dreams into reality? This isn't wishful thinking. It's a profound truth that many successful individuals have discovered and harnessed to create the lives they desire. It's about harnessing the power of manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs into alignment with your goals. It's about visualizing your dreams and taking actionable steps towards them. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions to attract what you desire. When you focus your energy on positive outcomes, you begin to draw those very outcomes into your life. Many have tapped into this power. They have used the principles of manifestation to transform their lives, achieving goals that once seemed out of reach. They've manifested their dream jobs, loving relationships, and fulfilling careers. These individuals have learned to trust the process and believe in their ability to create their own reality. And yes, even financial abundance. By focusing on their financial goals and taking consistent action, they have attracted wealth and prosperity into their lives. The key is to find a method that resonates with you. There are various techniques and practices that can help you harness the power of manifestation. One such method, growing in popularity, is the 369 manifestation method. This technique involves writing down your desires 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. It's simple, powerful, and can unlock the door to your financial dreams. By consistently focusing on your goals and visualizing your success, you can manifest the life you've always dreamed of. The 369 manifestation method is a practice rooted in the belief that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. It revolves around the numbers 3, 6, and 9, which some believe hold special significance in the universe. By focusing on your financial goals and incorporating these numbers, you can amplify your intentions and draw wealth towards you. This method is not a magic spell. It requires dedication, belief, and consistent action. It's about shifting your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. It's about believing that you are worthy and deserving of financial prosperity. The 369 manifestation method is remarkably simple to implement. It involves 3 easy steps: writing, visualizing, and repeating. First, choose an affirmation that reflects your financial goal. For instance, you could write, "I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life." Second, write your chosen affirmation 3 times in the morning. Visualize yourself already living in abundance. Feel the joy, gratitude, and freedom that comes with financial security. Then, write your affirmation 6 times throughout the day. Finally, before bed, write your affirmation 9 times, reinforcing those positive thoughts as you drift off to sleep. The 369 manifestation method is often linked to the brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla, who was known for his fascination with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. Tesla believed these numbers held the key to understanding the universe. He observed that these numbers frequently appear in nature and mathematical patterns. While Tesla didn't directly create the 369 manifestation method as we know it today, his reverence for these numbers has fueled its popularity. Many believe that by tapping into the energy of these numbers, we can unlock hidden potential and manifest our desires. Section 5. The science behind it. Is there any proof? While the 369 manifestation method lacks direct scientific evidence, there is, a growing body of research on the power of the mind-body connection and the placebo effect, which suggests that our thoughts and beliefs can influence our reality. This concept is not new. It has been explored in various fields such as psychology, neuroscience, and even quantum physics. The idea that our mental state can affect our physical world is gaining traction, and many researchers are delving into how this phenomenon works. For example, studies have shown that positive thinking can lead to improved health outcomes, reduced stress, and increased well-being. When we engage in activities that promote a positive mindset, such as exercise, meditation, or even socializing, we are essentially training our brains to focus on the good, which can have a ripple effect on our overall health. This is often referred to as the mind-body connection, where our mental state directly impacts our physical health. Furthermore, the act of writing down your goals and visualizing them has been proven to increase focus, motivation, and the likelihood of achieving those goals. This practice is often used in cognitive behavioral therapy and other psychological treatments to help individuals set and achieve their personal and professional objectives. By putting pen to paper, we are not only clarifying our intentions, but also reinforcing them in our subconscious mind, making it more likely that we will take the necessary steps to achieve them. So, while the specific numerical sequence may not hold any inherent power, the principles behind the 369 manifestation method align with scientific understanding of the human mind. The method encourages practices that are supported by scientific research such as goal setting, positive thinking, and visualization. These practices can help us harness the power of our minds to create the reality we desire. In essence, the 369 manifestation method serves as a structured way to apply these scientifically backed principles in our daily lives, making it a valuable tool for personal development and self-improvement. Section 6. Success Stories, Manifesting Wealth and Prosperity. Countless individuals claim that the 369 manifestation method has helped them achieve their financial goals. While it's important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, these stories offer inspiring examples of the potential power of manifestation. One woman shared how she used the 369 manifestation method to manifest a significant pay raise. She diligently wrote her affirmations, visualized her success, and stayed consistent with her practice. Within a few months, she received an unexpected promotion and a salary increase beyond her wildest dreams. Section 7. Overcoming Obstacles, Doubt, and Negative Thoughts. One of the biggest challenges in manifestation is overcoming self-doubt and negative thoughts. Our minds are powerful tools, and negative self-talk can sabotage our efforts to attract what we desire. It's crucial to acknowledge these doubts without letting them control us. When doubt creeps in, gently remind yourself of your goals and why you're doing this. Focus on the positive. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. Remember, the journey to abundance is not always easy, but it's always worth it. Section 8. Consistency is key. Make it a habit. Like any practice, consistency is crucial for the 369 manifestation method to be effective. This method relies on the power of repetition and the energy you put into your intentions. By consistently writing down your desires, you are sending a clear message to the universe about what you want to attract into your life. It's not just about the act of writing, it's about the commitment and dedication you show towards your goals. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee, integrate this practice into your day. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or right before bed. The key is to make it a regular part of your schedule so that it becomes second nature. Set reminders on your phone or write it in your planner. These little prompts can help you stay on track, especially on busy days when it's easy to forget. You can even set alarms or notifications to give you that gentle nudge. The more you remind yourself, the easier it will be to maintain this habit. The more you practice, the more natural it will become, and the more aligned you will be with the frequency of abundance. Over time, this practice will feel less like a task, and more like a ritual that you look forward to. You'll start to notice subtle shifts in your mindset and energy, making you more receptive to the opportunities around you. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Life happens. It's important to be kind to yourself and not let a missed day derail your progress. Remember, it's the overall consistency that matters, not perfection. If you miss a day, simply acknowledge it and move on. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. The journey towards manifesting your desires is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. The key is to keep moving forward, even if it's at a slower pace than you'd like. Remember, every time you write, visualize, and repeat your affirmations, you are reinforcing those positive thoughts and aligning yourself with your financial goals. Visualization and affirmation are powerful tools that help you stay focused and motivated. By consistently engaging in these practices, you are training your mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your desires. Keep believing in the process, and watch as your dreams start to manifest into reality. Section 9. Embrace the journey, believe and achieve. The 369 manifestation method is not just about attracting wealth, it's about embracing the journey of personal growth and transformation. It's about believing in yourself, your dreams, and the infinite possibilities that exist within you. So, embrace the process with an open heart and an open mind. Trust that the universe is conspiring to bring you abundance in all areas of your life. Believe in the power of your thoughts, stay committed to your practice, and watch as your financial dreams become your reality. You have the power within you to create the life you desire. Unlock it.